Hey guys, this is part 7 and the final step in my mausoleum build. I have got the bases to the walls being glued on right now with Gorilla Glue. Once that sets up, I'll add a few little decorative items to the walls and we'll start getting them painted and attached to the mausoleum. Today we're going to go ahead and finish up the side walls. Going to add the little engravings underneath there, get the walls painted up. I've gone ahead and attached these. I've used lots and lots of spray foam and Gorilla Glue. A lot of overkill here, but I wanted to make sure that it stayed together. I'll be attaching these side walls to the greenhouse skeleton frame that I've got here with some cable wires from this post over to the opposite wall, tying it together along with the front wall there. This is all messy looking, but you'll never see this anyway. This is going to be inside. I just wanted to show you how I've glued the base to the side walls using the 1x3s, using Gorilla Glue and expanding spray foam. This side wall is a panel by itself. The front wall is a panel, and the side wall is a panel to break down into 3 pieces. It's for easy storage. Alright, so I have the nameplates engraved and are glued onto the side walls. That's the right wall and the left wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of dry lock on it. Let that dry. Then paint in the detail of the engravings. Get the walls stood up, get them weathered. And there you have the side walls of the mausoleum with the first coat of dry lock on them. Put another coat on, let that seal, then weather, and add some moss and some other little features. But there you have the side walls. We are almost done. And there you have the mausoleum build complete. I did add some cobwebs. I've got a little short video that shows how I did those. Little cobwebs around. Over the top section there, I've got some of the green fabric cloth that I'm going to drape across all the way across so it'll flow and billow in the wind on the sides instead of actually putting a whole roof up on it. But there you have it. Mausoleum for 2024 complete. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing.